Hi, if you are new here, welcome to Best Kitchen Guide. In this channel, we aim to inform you about the latest and greatest tools that are used in kitchen and cooking. If a product passes our rigorous testing, only then it gets recommended by us so that our viewers don't have to face any buyer's remorse. Our evaluating process includes extensive testing, features, and prices. So if you pick the items featured in this video, you can be well assured that you are buying the best product possible. Please check the description below for our featured top 5 product links from Amazon for updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started.
Our number one choice for top 5 best cooking pots and pans is Carote 11 pieces pots and pans set. With a 10x extreme peeling resistance non-stick surface, this detachable cookware set combines stunning design with cutting-edge non-stick technology. Carote's distinctive click cookware set elevates even the most basic meals. Easy to clean pans and pots with an improved non-stick covering make cleanup quick and painless. Carote's removable handle cookware set is the sensible answer to being a multi-purpose cookware, from the burner to the oven, to the table, fridge, or dishwasher. Oven safe to 480 degrees Fahrenheit. Non-stick cookware sets improve heat transmission and distribution, allowing the home cook to obtain expert searing and browning results while using less energy. With the induction-ready base and magnetic core, you can use the all-in-one plus pan on any cooktop. Carote detachable handle pots and pan set saves up to 70% more room when stored and stacked with the handles removed. Non-stick cookware set stacks perfectly in storage compartments such as drawers, cabinets, RV, camping usage, travel trailer, and motorhome. With a 10x extreme peeling resistance non-stick surface, this detachable cookware set combines stunning design with cutting-edge non-stick technology. Carote's removable handle cookware set is the sensible answer to being a multi-purpose cookware, from the burner to the oven, to the table, fridge, or dishwasher. Oven safe to 480 degrees Fahrenheit. With the induction-ready base and magnetic core, you can use the all-in-one plus pan on any cooktop. Number 2 in our side is Legend 3-ply stainless steel pots and pans. Legend stainless steel cookware is constructed to endure a lifetime. This high-quality set, designed from the inside out, is the ideal learning tool for newbies serious about home cooking. The 3 layers were chosen for their safety and cleanliness, uniform heating, and culinary variety. Each piece is meticulously put together, and the handles are securely riveted on, making them excellent for carrying soups, stews, roasts, braises, and other heavy items around the burner. The highest performing 3-ply stainless steel cookware set in your kitchen is produced by multi-ply cladding technology. Each quality metal layer serves a specific purpose: 304 stainless steel for clean, safe cooking, a strong aluminum core for even heating, and 430 stainless steel for performance on all cooktops. There's also no need to painstakingly create your own coating and care for it like you would with cast iron. Simply cook, clean, and store. Heavy durable quality with a lightweight design. The 3-ply 10-piece stainless steel cookware set is suitable for use with any kitchen configuration, including electric, gas, glass, and induction. It may be cooked on the stovetop or in the oven, making it a genuine one-pot dinner. Up to 230 degrees Celsius / 450 degrees Fahrenheit oven safe. This set comprises the following items: a 6-quart Dutch oven, a 10-inch frying pan, an 8-inch frying pan, a 1.5-quart saucepan, a 2.5-quart saucepan, and a 3.5-quart sauté pan. All have strong, custom-fit lids. Allow your Legend cookware to cool completely to room temperature to maintain its quality. Use dish detergent and a sponge or soft mesh scrubber to clean. Polish with water and a little acid, such as vinegar or lemon juice, to keep the brilliance. Dishwasher safe, but hand washing is recommended to keep the inner measurement lines visible. Unlike cast iron, pure copperware, enameled, and non-stick coated cookware, stainless steel requires no special care. Third in our best cooking pots and pans list is Green Life Soft Grip Kitchen Cookware Pots. The soft grip line is all about control and comfort. This set contains our toxin-free ceramic non-stick coating, which is free of fizz, PFOA, lead, and cadmium for easy performance and cleanup. Green. Life's healthy ceramic non-stick is not stuck in the past, which is why it begins with sand and emits 60% less CO2 during the curing period than previous coatings. The bright soft grip line, which includes a stay cool handle, is meant to make simple cooking even simpler. Our ceramic non-stick is not bound by tradition. Our coating begins with sand to provide non-stick performance without the use of chemicals. Fizz, PFOA, lead, and cadmium free. The pans themselves are composed of recyclable aluminum, making it simple for your children to cook. The silicone body and solid steel core are robust and go into difficult to reach spots. Made of lightweight metal that allows you to go directly to your meal. The soft grip line is all about control and comfort. This set contains our toxin-free ceramic non-stick coating, which is free of fizz, PFOA, lead, and cadmium for easy performance and cleanup. Green. Life's healthy ceramic non-stick is not stuck in the past, which is why it begins with sand and emits 60% less CO2 during the curing period than previous coatings. The cookware vessels, excluding the handles, are constructed with at least 65% recycled aluminum. This set is finished in colorful colors and has stay-cool handles to make cooking more enjoyable. Durable glass lids allow you to see what's cooking without sacrificing heat. Our fourth pick is New Wave Non-Stick Cookware Set. Forging gives the cookware strength and durability while remaining lightweight and easy to handle. It's a work of art in which form meets function. It is designed to function well in any environment and at any skill level. The environmentally safe, Ultra Non-Stick Gen 10 Duralan Blue ceramic coating is devoid of hazardous chemicals such as PTFE, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. At higher temperatures, it also does not emit hazardous fumes. The hardness rating is 9H. Diamond is incredibly strong due to its 10H rating. It has high abrasion, corrosion, and acid resistance, which means it will not chip or discolor and will retain its non-stick characteristics for a longer period of time. Every piece of cookware is bonded and reinforced on the bottom with an anti-warp SS plate to make it induction suitable. At any temperature, this bonding provides fast, equal heat distribution and improved heat retention. We have been perfecting our Duralan ceramic coating for over a decade. G10 Duralan Blue is outstanding in every way. It warms quickly and evenly, effortlessly releases food, and is extremely durable. Every piece of the cookware set can also be used on any type of cooktop, including electric and gas burners. They are oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing for a smooth transfer from stove to oven. The handles are highly ergonomic, albeit they can get a little warm to the touch when heated to high temperatures. This cookware even passed our warp test. If you inadvertently put a hot fry pan in cold water, it should be fine. During testing, fond became a touch too burnt on, necessitating a few swipes with a steel wool, but the set cleaned up nicely overall. Each set is available in a choice of beautiful hues with a modern shape that looks excellent on any stovetop, and the selection is expertly picked. These pieces exhibited regulated and uniform heat distribution, resulting in a delicate sear and gentle color building without scorching. The non-stick surface is ideal for cooking eggs evenly and without sticking, and it also makes cleanup a breeze every time. The pots and pans are generously sized and ideal for large batch dishes, although we wish there was an additional little fry pan for quick, small activities. Last in this list is Tefal Ultimate Non-Stick Cookware. The non-stick interior is hard titanium strengthened, scratch resistant, and toxin free, and keeps food sliding easily across the surface, making cooking easier and cleanup a breeze. Handles are ergonomically engineered for comfort and safety. Vented tempered glass lids keep food visible while trapping enough heat and moisture for excellent results every time. Comfort and safety are prioritized, oven safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Tefal's Heat Mastery System, a 3-ingredient recipe for consistently wonderful cooking outcomes, superior and longer-lasting non-stick coating, and anti-warping, even heat base, and proprietary thermospot technology are also included in this cookware. Maintains optimum heat and is extremely resistant to corrosion, scratches, and other damage for consistent dependability every day of the week. Furthermore, TEFL almost eliminates the critical phase of preheating. Thermospot heat indicators include a ring around the center that turns solid red when pans are adequately preheated, promoting evenly cooked food and helping to seal in the natural juices and flavor of meat, chicken, fish, and other favorites. The heavy-duty pans are thick and weighty, and one tester said, "This feels like professional cookware." We did notice some food getting caught around the inner rivets, but the non-stick coating performs admirably, and cleanup was quick and easy. When cooking, use a mitt to protect your hands from the extra-long stainless steel handles. Although the thick design takes longer to heat up than thinner pots, the heat gradually spreads to the sides of the pan and delivers consistent, uniform heating during cooking.